Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question whether it is possible to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos. So, my short answer is yes and no. So look, if I open the Google Photos application and I will delete my photo, then we go to the collections and to the trash. So right here we have deleted photos. And if you remove this photo from the trash, meaning that you cannot recover it. But if you have it in the trash, you can easily recover it using, you can click on it or select it and then click restore, or just if you click on it, click restore at the left bottom. And we have this photo. But as I said, if you move it to the cache and then remove it from the cache, you cannot recover it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!